Hello students, in this video we will discuss some problem from exercise 17a.
Let's start our biology class. Students, we have already started the chapter circulatory system and discussing various topics.
So let's start.
So it is the high
So
time
question number 4 is
to
given here.
discuss the
The
different
length
questions
of a
and
rectangular field
structures.
is 3
So
times
get
of
ready
its
for your
breadth. If
class
the
of
breadth
today.
of the rectangle is 3 whole 1.5 meter, find the perimeter of the rectangle. So this is a rectangle. Breadth of the rectangle is given here 3 whole 1 by half meter, and length of the rectangle is given 3 times of this breadth. So at first right here, breadth of the rectangle is equal to 3 whole 1 by 2 meter. If you convert these to improper fraction, that will be 7 by 2 meter happen. Now length of the rectangle is 3 times of its breadth. That means length of the rectangle will be length of the rectangle is equal to 3 times of its breadth. It will be 21 by 2 meter. Now here you have to find out the perimeter of the rectangle. At first you have to know the formula of finding the perimeter of a rectangle, that is 2 into length plus breadth. So length is given here 21 by 2 and breadth is given here 7 by 2. Just put this value in this formula, you will get that answer. Therefore perimeter is equal to
So students, today I have sent all the
perimeter is equal to
short questions.
2
So
into
read it properly.
length plus
properly.
breadth.
If
Length
you
is
have
given
any
here
query, you
21 by
can
2
share with me.
and
Next
breadth
day I
is
will
given
send
here
you
7 by 2.
the long questions answered. But before
Now
that,
2
read
into,
it because
add
in
this.
next live class I'll ask
So
you
what is the
a
LCM of
question
2 and 2?
regarding this
That is
chapter.
nothing but 2.
So that is
So
why
that will be
you should be
21
ready
plus 7.
properly, read properly. If you have any query, again I'm telling you can ask me. Thank you.
So 21 plus 7, that will be 28 by 2. 2 will be cancelled out. So here it will be 28 meter. So write the answer statement. Therefore perimeter of the rectangle is 28 meter. Now let's see another problem. Question number 6. So question number 6 is given here. The length of a square field is 35 meters. Suppose this is a square field. The length of the square field is 35 meters.
Since we have already completed the chapter 6,
So here asking you,
classical
what
question
distance
answer.
will a man walk
Only one
in going
chapter is
around
left,
3
and
times?
it is the last chapter of our
So
book, that is
at first you have to find out
analysis.
how many distance
Today
he
we
will
are going to
cover
start
if
the
he
chapter
go
analysis.
around one time. So right here length of the square is length of the square field is 35 meter. So find out the perimeter of the square. Perimeter is equal to
So at first we will discuss about the concept of
is equal to, we know that the perimeter of a square is 4 times of its length. So 4 into its length. So it will be 4 into 35.
annual tender, land
So 4 5 ja 20
The
and 2 is carry.
symptoms if
3 4 ja
for miles are rashes, hives,
12.
itchiness,
12 plus
running
2,
nose,
that will
etc.
be 14. So 14 meter.
The concept of
So this
allergy
is
was
the
originally
perimeter of the
introduced in
square. That means if
1906
the
by
if he start from here and walk around one time, he will cover
after
this
he
much
noticed that
distance.
some of his
But here you
patients
have to
were
find how much
hypersensitive to
distance
common
cover
harmless substance such
if
as
he
the
walk around
aspartate
3
and the
times. So
Bartlett called
now
this
what to
phenomenon
do? You have to
allergy,
multiply
which
3
ingredients
into
other
140. So
the substance
distance cover
which causes allergy are called allergens. These allergies are
cover
also known as allergic disease
by the
and are
man
a number of conditions caused by hypersensitivity
is equal to
sensitivity of one's immune system
3
to something in
times
the environment that
into
usually causes no adverse
140.
effect to most other people. The diseases are
So this much
fever,
distance he will
dermatitis,
cover
asthma,
if
food
he go
allergies,
around 3
etc.
times. So write down the answer statement.
So as I told you that
So the answer
substance that
statement
causes
is
allergies are called allergens. It will show this reaction in different allergens. A few common allergens are
420 meter
pollen, insectines, etc.
distance at a total distance covered by the man. Total distance
So, in attempt to protect our body from these allergens, our immune system produce
cover
immunoglobulins that are specific to the
by the
allergens. These proteins first bind
man
to the allergen and then to the white blood cells
is
present in the body. This
420
binding triggers
meter.
the release of an
So this is
inflammatory
our
chemical
answer.
called histamine. It is the histamine which shows allergic symptoms like
So in
inflammation
this way you can
seen
solve
by a
left of the problem in
constriction of
question
the
number
bronchioles as in asthma.
in
The
exercise
allergies are
17a.
common through the world,
Thank you everyone.
but more common in the developed nation. About 20% of people